Honorable Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad Sahab, Honorable Speaker, Government of Maharashtra, Sri Dilip S.A. Patil ji, all the dignitaries on the dais, all the distinguished awardees, and dear friend. Everybody is aware that the Priyadarshini Global Awards have become so popular all over the world that the great achievers in the different fields are always eagerly waiting for their turn to be nominated for one of the awards. Priyadarshini Academy Global Awards are considered as the Indian version of any prestigious international award. The credit for all this reputation and value goes to Sri Nani Krupani ji and his team. I imagine the amount of pain taken by his team, which is headed by Advisory Committee member Dr. Mashilkar ji, in selecting the outstanding achievers from all over the world. Honorable Ghulam Nabi Sahab is here, and everybody is aware that India is poised to emerge as a global economic power. We already envision India to become the developed nation by 2020. Our Honorable Prime Minister, who is the main architect of LPG policy, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, and under his able leadership, we are working toward the better development. I am very proud that all the distinguished awardees from industry, Sri Kamal Mangal Birla ji, for his outstanding contribution in the field of industry, scientific innovation, domestic worker. I'm also very happy that National Coordinator of the Domestic Worker Movement, he mentioned that Government of Maharashtra has taken the very progressive step for giving the recognition to the domestic worker in Maharashtra. In banking, HDFC, all these distinguished guests are honored here. I'm very happy that they are honored by our Honorable Ghulam Nabi Azad Sahab here. यहाँ पे एक ही हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की दीपिका पादुकोण जी गई, लेकिन उनके बारे में एक ही बात कहूँगा कि जरूरत दीपिका जी आपको नहीं है सजने संवरने की, किसी हिरनी की आंखों में काजल नहीं होता. थैंक यू.